It's looking a bit empty. How much do you reckon YouTube pays me because you clicked on an ad? Well, let me show you. So just now, my top performing video is this one here. How to make YouTube captions bigger. And yes, there's a link in the description. Now, as you can see, it's had 20,000 views. Now, you might say, well, that's not many. Well, you might be thinking, wow, that's a lot. Notice in the first 100 days, it only had 696, 700 views. So 7 views a day on average. And you look at the first few days, the first 33 days, it only had 3 views a day. But right now, it's getting up each day. It's getting a few hundred views a day. And you can see that in the last 48 hours, it's had nearly 400 views. It's got me a few subscribers. And the video only goes for 1.5 minutes. Not for very long. Where did those subscribers come from? We can have a look. And we can see that half of them came from external. External basically means Google search. That's where most of them are coming from, or half of them are coming from. And the other half are actually people searching on YouTube. Makes sense. People searching on YouTube saying, how do I make my captions bigger? So how much did they pay me? I go to revenue here and I get to see that advertisers are paying $9.63. All of these numbers are in US dollars, $9.63. Now you might think that's a lot. I actually don't think it's a lot. I've got some videos that pay $20 or more. Most of the money comes from ads that people skip, and that's pretty much universal, is that those skippable ads that people don't skip. And so total revenue, so remember, we've had 20,000 views, and that's 4,000 cents, $40. That's definitely not my highest, but it gives you an idea of how much YouTube pays me for ads. Now, it varies according to one channel or another, and to one topic or another. I've got other videos on my channel that get much higher revenue, and some get really, really low revenue, even though they get quite good view counts. Getting paid from YouTube ads is a little way of YouTube saying thanks to me, and of you saying thanks to me because you have clicked on an ad and haven't skipped an ad. But it's not a whole lot of money, but it's certainly a help.